Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll show you how to fix no sound or speaker problems on your INFINIX Note 30 VIP. First, check the media volume, open settings, go to sound and vibration, and make sure media volume is turned up. If you still don't have sound, turn it all the way to the right. In my case, everything works, but if it's not working for you, also turn off Do Not Disturb at the top. Do Not Disturb mutes calls and notifications, but it can lower your volume significantly, so disable it and everything will go back to normal. Next, go to Bluetooth and disable it to make sure no other device is stealing your audio. We want to ensure Bluetooth is disabled, and now clean the speaker grills. There's one at the top here. Use a soft brush and slide it over. Brush it all off, then move to the next one at the bottom. The bottom one I cleaned recently, so I know there's nothing inside it. The brush came clean. After cleaning the speaker grills, restart the device. Press and hold the power button, tap Restart, and tap it again. The phone is restarting. I'll see you in a second once it's done. After the restart, if it's still not working as a last resort, go to Settings, scroll to System, tap System Update, and click on Line Update. My system is up to date, but if yours isn't, I recommend updating. That's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.